Well, we have a Houdini on our hands. Sure do. Nice size cage for a puppy that's a large breed, right? So, come home today, and Houdini got out right here. You can see that. Not really a big gap, but she squeezed her body out and then proceeded to walk up these steps, stand on her hind legs, and open up this knob with her paw. Mila, did you get out of your cage today? Mila, did you get out of your cage and come inside my house with your paws? You came inside and opened the door with your paws. This is not acceptable, Mila. You can't do that. Mila, look at these paws. They opened the doorknob into my house. Mila, you ever come back inside my house again without mommy, I'm gonna be very mad. Got it? Got it? Bad girl. Bad girl. Bad girl. You're not mommy's girlfriend when you do that. 5 months. Moose girl.